Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is HTML. Now what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML used for creating web pages. It provides certain codes that describe the content and the format of the web page. Okay. Now what do you mean by HTML? HTML is a language of computer basically, which is used for making website. Okay, with the help of HTML anyone can see website through internet. Okay, after making it is very simple language as compared to the other languages. Okay, now come to the next. Developer of HTML. HTML is invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, now come to the next. Use of HTML. It is very easy to making web pages with the help of HTML. First, text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, in which we are create the code, and second one is browser. Browser, right, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. HTML is a number of small code series which is written in Notepad, and these code are called tags. Okay, tags. Now come to the next. What is hypertext? Hypertext work as a hyperlink which contains links to other text. For example, Facebook, that links to the Facebook page. Now what is hypertext? Hypertext is a text based on information, okay, which is interlinked between subtopics by hyperlink. Now come to the next. What is markup? Markup language, this is markup is the way of writing document that describe the general structure of document so that the browser, for example Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, etc., can read the document and display them. It does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. Now what is markup? Markup language, this is the method represent define of text which specify the markup codes. Okay, now come to the features of HTML. What is the feature of HTML? HTML documents are the simple text file. Okay, simple text files. The second one is HTML is not a case of sensitive language. Then the third one is spaces and tabs can be used anywhere, unlike some other programming. Okay, now come to the next. HTML can be written in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, etc., or in WordPad also. Okay, and the last one is there is no need of compilation of HTML codes. Okay, so that's all about today's video session, and I will discuss some more on HTML like tags and attributes in our next video session. So till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you so much.